If you've heard of ChatGPT but have no idea how to actually use it, this video will show you step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey, welcome back to Roper AI Lab. My name's Rob Roper, and on this channel I break down AI and tech in the simplest way possible so you can save time and work smarter. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT as a beginner, including what it is, how to start, and real examples you can copy and use immediately. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can help you write emails and messages, answer questions, study faster, brainstorm ideas, plan projects, and even learn new skills. Think of it like Google, but instead of links, you get actual answers and explanations. To get started, go to chat.openai.com. Sign up using Google, Microsoft, or email. Choose the free version. It's more than enough for beginners. Once you're logged in, you'll see a simple text box. That's where the magic happens. This is where most beginners get stuck. Instead of typing, "Help me," try being specific. For example, write a professional email asking for time off. Explain AI like I'm 10 years old, create a weekly study plan for a uni student. The clearer your question, the better the answer. Here are real examples you can try right now. For work, summarize this meeting in bullet points. For study, explain this topic step by step with examples. For life, create a simple weekly meal plan on a budget. You can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite, shorten, simplify, or expand anything. Mistake number 1, trusting every answer blindly. ChatGPT is powerful, but it can make mistakes. Always double-check important info. Mistake number 2, asking vague questions. Specific prompts get better results. Mistake number 3, not asking follow-up questions. You can keep refining the answer until it's perfect. One simple trick most people don't use. Tell ChatGPT who you are and what you want. For example, I'm a beginner with no tech background. Explain this in simple terms. This instantly improves the quality of responses. And that's how you use ChatGPT as a beginner, step by step. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Roper AI Lab, and turn on notifications for more simple AI and tech tutorials every week. Comment below and tell me what you want to use ChatGPT for, work, study, or everyday life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.